non-existing protocol. Good people of Rivers State, gentlemen of the press, I'm delighted to see Rivers people gathered in this number to grace this occasion. My name is Chief Mike Amachree, the Southeast Territorial District Leader, SDP. I've come to declare my support, my total loyalty to Fubara, the governor of Rivers State. And I know power comes from God. And it's our duty to carry out God's establishment. I want to call on River sons and daughters to join me in supporting our democratic elected governor, Fubara. I want to call on ethnic nationality in Rivers State to support the Ijaw in supporting our son, our father, of Rivers State, our own governor, Fubara. If you recall back, when our father, Odili, was aspiring for the governor of Rivers State, we have some sons who are from the riverine side of Rivers State who also contest for the election. People like Ngerebara, people like Itogarari. But our late father, in their blessed memory, people like A.K.A. Dikibo, people like Harrison, they stood their ground, give all their support to our father, Peter Odili. And Rivers people stood by Peter Odili and will work hard with him to make sure he's complete his tenure. After then, our brother from the Query houses emerged as the governor of Rivers State. Rivers people in their capacity cut across the edge of Rivers State of the Ijaw, gave Ruth Amaechi 100% support. Our governor of yesterday, Governor Wike, emerged as the governor of Rivers State. All our brothers in the House of Assembly, House of Rep, and our senator, our chiefs and youth, give Wike 100% support. I will make sure he completes his tenure. Ijaw has supported all this tribe when they emerged as a governor. Today is our own turn, the Ijaw turn. We urge all of that tribe in Rivers State to leave sentiment. It's beyond Ijaw. We are talking about Rivers State. The state belongs to all of us. We are calling on the Ekpe, the Ikweres, the Ogoni to turn up in their mass and give our brothers support. It's our prayer to Sim that he will complete his tenure and his second tenure. So long Sim continue to do the right thing, we, the good people of Rivers State, will stand with him, will work with him, we will speak for him to make sure we partner with him, our governor, to move Rivers State forward. The era of political crisis has passed. Government has emerged. Government has emerged. Today is an Ijaw son. Our brothers from other ethnic to support us the same way we did to them. And as you do that, you will remain blessed. Thank you, and God bless you.